Good hit. That's what you think.
Didn't carry to the sweeper.
Straighter, fielder's underneath it.
Oh, shot.
That's better. That sounded good.
10 off 3. This could be out.
Go.
Oh,
He
shot.
tried to belt
so
it.
hard.
Come on, Eric.
Shot. It's a golf swing, that. Golf swing, Harry. Come on, give us your golf swing to see. No, that's plinked.
Blinked.
Oh, along the ground, he's rolled his wrist.
Dodgy throw that one, wasn't it?
Oh, yes.
Down the ground.
She's going to catch that. She's going to catch that.
What are you giving?
Crowd reaction tells you everything.
Yeah,
That's a good hit.
You're just like catching it right, Hayes.
Oh, that's got to be it.
That's not getting there.
Oh, drag it, ball man.
You got to call it a draw.
You got to call it a draw? All that for a draw?
Yeah, we both had some good, some bad. I mean, I technically hit the boundary once.
Well, mine went over his head and rolled into the boundary as well.
So who's taking the bragging rights?
I'm gonna have to look back at footage.
Yeah, I need to see it back. I need to see it back.
Nice to compete though, nice to have a bit of fun.
Absolutely, yeah.
I was just thinking about beating him the whole time. So yeah.